A hammam, also known as a Turkish bath, is a traditional bathing and cleansing facility that has been an integral part of the Middle Eastern and Turkish cultures for centuries. One notable hammam is located in the city of Akko, Israel. Let's dive into the details of the hammam in Akko and its significance as a museum. The hammam in Akko is a historical structure that dates back to the Ottoman period, specifically in the 18th century. It served as a communal bathing facility for both men and women, offering a place for relaxation, purification, and social interaction. The hammam played a vital role in the daily life of the local population, providing an opportunity for physical cleanliness as well as a venue for socializing and conducting business discussions. Today, the hammam in Akko has been transformed into a museum, known as the Hamam al-Basham Museum. It offers visitors a glimpse into the rich cultural heritage and architectural beauty of the Ottoman era. The museum provides insights into the traditional bathing practices, architecture, and social customs of that period. Upon entering the museum, visitors are greeted by a well-preserved and ornately decorated interior. The hammam's architecture features elements such as domed ceilings, arched entrances, and intricate tile work, showcasing the exquisite craftsmanship and aesthetics of the time. The museum also houses various artifacts and exhibits that shed light on the history, function, and significance of the hammam in Akko. Exploring the museum allows visitors to experience the ambiance of the hammam with its distinct architecture, ambient lighting, and serene atmosphere. It offers a unique opportunity to understand the cultural importance of communal bathing and its place in society during the Ottoman period. Additionally, the Hamam Museum often hosts cultural events, exhibitions, and performances that highlight the region's heritage and celebrate its diverse cultural traditions. These events provide visitors with a deeper appreciation for the historical and cultural significance of the Hammam and its continued relevance in contemporary times. The Hamam in Akko, transformed into a museum, offers a fascinating journey into the past, providing insights into the bathing practices, architectural splendor, and social dynamics of the Ottoman era. It stands as a testament to the rich history and cultural diversity of the region, inviting visitors to explore and appreciate the historical heritage preserved within its walls.